In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 5T, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM into the device. So, as you will see, I have one right here. And before we get started, you'll need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They come provided in a box, so you can just get it from there. And if you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip, just straighten out one of the sides, and as you can see, this will work as well. So I'm just gonna use it anyway. Now the tray is located on the left upper side, or right here. So you wanna push it in, and you'll see that the tray pops out. Once you take it all the way out, you'll have access to two different SIM slots, so you can put two different SIM cards in here. Now I'm gonna just use one. They both go the same way, as you can see. So once it's in there, make sure it's laying flush in there, as you can see this one is. And then while holding it securely, you want to slide it back into the device till it clicks in there. And now you can see that there's a well, not even pin but PUC. So I actually don't know the PUC for this SIM card, but as you can see, clearly it's working, considering it tells me to put in a PUC for this card. So that is how you would insert SIM into the device. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.